Said I need a real one. Tired of the cake and the silicone. Said I need a real one. Forget perfection, I love bumpy roads. Said I need a real one.
Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Elena Vibes, and in today's video I will be showing you how I achieved this look. Shout out to you Fashion Plus, thank you so much for this unit. I absolutely love this wig. So now that I'm done installing this wig, I have it glued down, I have my edges laid as you can see. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take out these clips. And so far I'm really happy and excited with how this wig looks, the fit of it, because y'all, I have a very big head, okay? The average wig cap size is 22 inches. And I just found out the other day that mine is 24 inches, okay? So the fact that this fits perfectly, it definitely shows that it is big head friendly. And if you have a small, normal size head, medium size head, you have the elastic band straps inside of here. You have a wig comb in the back center, which I just used and clipped in. And I didn't need to use the adjustable straps, of course, so if it's too big for you, you can always adjust it and tighten it. So what I'm gonna do now, I have this spray bottle with some water, Silk Therapy Serum, and then I have my Aunt Jackie's Defining Curl Whip. I don't think I need any more of this because I already have that product in here. So really what I just need to do is just take this, because I've had it clipped up for like a couple hours now. I'm just gonna go ahead and spray with a little water. which is what I love about curly hair, y'all. Like, it's really easy to maintain, in my opinion. It's easy to style, super easy to maintain. You don't have to really do much. Ooh. I almost ripped off my wig. Jesus. Okay. Yes. We got a little side action going on here. If I want, since it is a lace front, I can part it down the center. I can part it down the center, do a little middle part type of thing. Just spray it some more. And this is so perfect because it's hot, y'all. It's so hot where I live in Florida, and I'm sure most other places it's summertime, so it is just ridiculously hot, and nobody has time for no 26-inch wigs right now. It's the perfect density. I love it. So I'm just trying to figure out what side I like it best on. I think this side. Like this. Or do I like it back? I don't know. I think I just love it either way. Like, however it is right now. Love it. So cute. So cute. Love it. You just pop on some cute hoop earrings. Leave it like this, and you're just good to go. So I'm just gonna get closer so you guys can see. But again, this is a 13x4 lace wig. Here's the back, and this is 10 inches. It's the perfect density, nice and full. And again, I did not pluck the hairline on this, which I'm perfectly fine with. If at any point I feel like I want to pluck it, I can just go ahead and do that, no problem. But for now, I love how it looks on its own. So basically just play around with it. Middle part, side part, just flip it over. However you want. You can put some cute clips in there to accessorize it. So it's the Fashion Plus store on Amazon. The exact name on Amazon, which you would type in as far as keywords, would be Fashion Plus short curly bob wigs, Brazilian virgin human hair, lace front wigs, human hair, 13x4 lace part. The density is 150%. And it is pre-plucked with baby hairs, and this is 10 inches, okay? So this wig is available in 10, 12, and 14 inches. You can get this wig in curly in a 13x4 or a 4x4 closure, or you can get it straight in a 13x14 lace front wig. So this wig is very inexpensive, super easy to put on. The only thing that I did, since it was already pre-plucked, all I had to do was go ahead and bleach the knots, which I already have a video on that. So I will link that down in the description here so you guys can check that video out. So the hair does come in this little bag right here, and it's a zipper, a little zipper pouch. It's really cute. And I like the fact that it comes in this because you can always store your hair right back in the same bag. So I really like that. What I love with short curly hair is like you can just, you know, and just go. And it's just cute. Like, however, it just looks so natural. I love it. I absolutely love it. If you are interested in this wig or any other bundles or wigs from Fashion Plus, check out my description below and you'll see the direct link for this bob unit as well as the direct link to the Fashion Plus store. The shipping was super fast. I got my hair in like 2 days, so if you got Amazon Prime, it's even better. So go ahead and shop with Fashion Plus hair. Thank you guys again for sending me this unit. I absolutely love it, and I will definitely be taking a lot of pictures with this wig, okay? Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't joined the Vibes family already. What are you waiting for? Also, comment down below what you guys want to see next from me on this channel, and turn on your post notification bell so you know the next time I got another video dropping. And I will see you guys in the next video.